The 2025 Audi RS6 is turning heads once again, and for good reason. Audi has always pushed the envelope when it comes to blending aggressive design with luxurious comfort and unmatched performance, and the RS6 proves it yet again. This year, the front view of the RS6 is particularly commanding. From the moment you see it, you know this isn't just another luxury wagon, it's a statement. The wide, sculpted grille dominates the front fascia, featuring Audi's signature honeycomb mesh and bold RS badging. The Matrix LED headlights are sleeker and sharper than ever, giving the RS6 an intimidating presence whether it's standing still or flying down the highway. Audi has refined every angle to reflect both power and sophistication. The large front air intakes and angular design lines aren't just for show, they serve aerodynamic purposes, helping to cool the engine and improve overall efficiency. One of the standout features in the front view is the seamless integration of design and technology. The front bumper now includes subtle yet aggressive carbon fiber elements, which not only reduce weight but also add a race-ready look. The new hood design features subtle creases that direct airflow while enhancing the muscular stance of the car. It's the kind of design that makes you want to walk around the car twice, once for admiration, and once just to take it all in again. Under the hood, the RS6 still packs a beastly punch. The twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 returns, delivering a jaw-dropping 621 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. This monster can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3.4 seconds, numbers that not long ago were reserved for supercars. And with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, the RS6 provides unmatched grip and control in all driving conditions. But the 2025 version also benefits from refinements to the mild hybrid system, which makes city driving smoother and even adds a slight fuel efficiency bump. Inside, the cabin is a mix of sport and luxury, with RS-specific accents, carbon fiber trim, and the highest quality materials. The cockpit wraps around the driver, putting every control within reach. But for now, we're focusing on that head-turning front view, because let's be real, that's what makes people stop and stare. Audi didn't just design this car to be fast, they designed it to look fast. The aggressive stance, flared wheel arches, and low-slung nose scream performance. Whether it's parked in your driveway or rolling down the boulevard, the 2025 RS6 demands attention. And yes, the attention to detail is insane. The RS6 laser headlights are not just about visibility, they're also a work of art. At night, they create a signature lighting pattern that's instantly recognizable. During the day, the LED DRLs add a fierce glare that matches the car's personality. From the smallest grille detail to the curvature of the front hood, every inch has been sculpted with purpose. Whether you're a longtime Audi fan or new to the RS family, the 2025 RS6 proves that Audi still knows how to make a car that stirs the soul. It's practical, yet ridiculous in the best way possible. A family car that can blow past most sports cars on the highway. That's the 6 rupees. So if you love the look of the 2025 Audi RS6 as much as I do, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment below and let me know what your favorite feature is. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, especially the ones who say wagons aren't cool. And most importantly, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more automotive content, first looks, and honest reviews. Your support helps me keep bringing the heat with these car features. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more fire content, because this is just the beginning.